Back-end development is like the engine of a car. Just as a car engine powers the vehicle, back-end development powers websites and applications. You don't see it, but it makes everything work. The back-end is hidden from the user, but it is essential for the functionality and performance of any digital product. It's the behind-the-scenes work that powers websites and apps. From handling user requests to managing databases, back-end development is the backbone of the digital world. Back-end developers focus on servers, databases, and how they all connect. They write the code that communicates between the server and the user's browser. They ensure data flows smoothly and everything runs efficiently. This involves optimizing server performance and ensuring data integrity. Without back-end development, websites would be static and lifeless. There would be no dynamic content, no user interactions, and no real-time updates. Imagine trying to order food online without a back-end system to process your order. The back-end handles everything from user authentication to payment processing. This field is crucial for creating dynamic and interactive user experiences. Back-end development is what makes modern web applications possible, providing the infrastructure needed for seamless user interactions. Servers are like restaurants. They receive requests or orders and send back responses like food. Just as a restaurant kitchen prepares meals based on the orders it receives, servers process requests from users and deliver the necessary data. This could be anything from loading a web page to fetching a video. They store the website's files and handle user requests. Servers are the backbone of any online service, ensuring that users can access the content they need quickly and efficiently. Without servers, the internet as we know it wouldn't function. Databases are like organized warehouses. They store all the important information such as user data, product details, and website content. Imagine a vast library where every book is meticulously catalogued and can be retrieved in seconds. They keep everything organized and accessible. Databases ensure that information is stored in a structured manner, making it easy to search, update, and manage. This organization is crucial for the smooth operation of any application or website. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are like messengers. They allow different applications to communicate with each other. Think of them as translators that enable different software systems to understand and work with one another. For example, when you use your Facebook account to log into another app, it's the API that makes the connection possible. APIs facilitate the exchange of data and functionality between different systems, making integration seamless. These core components work together to create a seamless user experience. By efficiently handling requests, storing data, and enabling communication between systems, they ensure that users can interact with applications smoothly and effectively. Choose a programming language. This is the first step in your back-end development journey. The language you choose will be the foundation upon which you build your skills and knowledge. Popular choices include Python, JavaScript, also known as Node.js, and Ruby. Each of these languages has its own strengths and use cases, so consider what kind of projects you want to work on. Start with one and learn its basics. This includes understanding syntax, data structures, and basic algorithms. Once you're comfortable, move on to learning about databases. Understand how to store and retrieve data. Databases are crucial for back-end development as they allow you to manage and manipulate data efficiently. SQL and NoSQL are two common types of databases. SQL databases are relational, while NoSQL databases are non-relational. Explore server-side frameworks to streamline your development process. Frameworks like Express.js for Node.js, Django for Python, and Ruby on Rails make development faster and more efficient. They provide pre-built modules and tools that simplify common tasks. Master API development. Learn how to create APIs that allow your applications to communicate with others. APIs are the backbone of modern web applications, enabling different services to interact seamlessly. RESTful API design is a widely used standard. It ensures that your APIs are scalable and maintainable. Build projects to apply what you've learned. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects to practice your skills and gradually take on more complex challenges. Start with small projects and gradually increase their complexity. This will help you build confidence and competence in your abilities. This roadmap provides a solid foundation for your back-end development journey. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to mastering back-end development. Section 4, simplifying complex concepts. Think of a server like a waiter in a restaurant. It takes your order, goes to the kitchen, and brings back your food. Imagine a database as a giant library. It has shelves with books. You can search for specific books using keywords. APIs are like bridges connecting different islands. They allow data and functionality to be shared between them. These analogies help to demystify complex concepts and make them easier to understand. Section 5. Continuing your back-end journey. Mastering back-end development takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The world of back-end development is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest technologies and best practices. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey.